Welcome to the crash course in Incoterms, brought to you in exclusive collaboration with the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association. In the fast-paced world of international trade, understanding Incoterms is essential for successful transactions. Incoterms, or international commercial terms, are the language of global commerce. They define the terms of sale in a contract, outlining responsibilities, costs, and tasks between exporters and importers. By the end of the seminar, you will understand Incoterms 2020 and prior versions. Navigate Incoterms with confidence, choosing the most suitable terms for your transactions. Apply Incoterms in real-world scenarios through case studies and interactive exercises. The course consists of 4 sessions, covering Incoterms fundamentals, rules from 2000 to 2020, and a detailed exploration of specific terms such as ex-works, cost insurance and freight, free on board, and more. But what sets our crash course apart? The seminar has been meticulously crafted by our dedicated WMA Education Team, working collaboratively to bring you a comprehensive and cohesive learning experience.
What do we see in this slide? The overview of the responsibilities of the buyer and the seller when shipping under CIP Incoterm. The seller, in orange, undertakes cost when goods are in the place of origin, for packaging and verification, loading, transport, customs export and handling, when goods are transported for freight, and when goods are in the place of destination for handling. Undertakes risk when. Now let us consider again the Irish company example. The Irish company sells 100,000 units of merchandise under the CIF shipping term to a US company. The seller, the Irish company, 1. is responsible for arranging and paying for the transport, as well as covering the goods with basic insurance.
No fixed start dates, you can begin anytime, anywhere. With pre-recorded videos, adapt the duration to your schedule. Open to all eager to delve into the specialized shipping topic, regardless of educational background or experience. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your understanding and elevate your role in maritime. Register now and embark on a journey to confidently navigate the complexities of global commerce.